G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today's April 25th, 2023. This is the spot gold price update. We've got here our weekly, daily and hourly charts, and on the weekly is our trend direction indicator primarily. So for those new to the channel and for those who are regular viewers, this is a new strategy we're using. We only take long or short trades when both the CCI and the moving averages of the price chart are combined in the same direction, and that's what this indicator here tells us. So for example, here we've got the moving average 60 and a moving average 3 and a moving average 5 of the price chart. When they're all in alignment, we take long trades only primarily, or if they're all in a bearish divergence or bearish movement, we take short trades only. But they have to combine with the CCI 150, and that's CCI 150 is the blue line, moving average 5 of that CCI and moving average 50 of the CCI. So again, when they're all aligned and the price chart moving averages are aligned in the same direction, then this indicator down here tells us to go long at the moment. So in the last few weeks, gold was in a bullish momentum, and that's what that's telling you. When they're all in alignment going in a bearish movement, then taking short trades only. Where this indicator is flat or there's no long or short positions shown, it means there's something has changed. So we want to make sure that both the CCI and moving averages and the price chart moving averages are aligned. So at the moment on the weekly, you can see there's it's avoiding taking long or short trades. As you can see there, the price is still moving up, whereas the CCI is broken to the downside. So to be very careful, apply the weekly direction of this chart into your trading. On the daily, the same principles are shown. Again, you can see there is a bullish or long positioning available. So you could possibly take trades on the smaller time frames, and I'll show you the hourly chart in a second, but I won't repeat the moving averages. They apply to this chart as well. The only thing I'll mention here, I've got this resistance at 2047, and the price did bounce off that, and a support level at 1809. So the price is making some further upside, and that's why the daily is showing a bullish or long positioning primarily with both moving averages on both charts aligned. So again, applying that methodology to the lower time frames, and I've got here the hourly. You can apply this to almost any other time frame. So if the daily is showing buy positioning only, we only take long trades on the hourly. So looking at this one in detail, we avoid any short trades as shown here. We only take potential long trades. So you can see here more closely, I've got a couple of Fibonacci retracements. Let me just show you that in a bit more clarity. I've got that retracement level. You can see there, the reason I've drawn this one here, the price does normally respect the 61%, and it bounced off that, and a trend confirmation happened. So the trend continued in the upward movement. And this one here, this Fibonacci retracement is from that low at 1950 to the high of 2046. You can see there also the price came and broke to the downside of the 61% a couple of times, and it was hovering around the 61%. So it's a bit undecided at the moment, but according to the methodology based on the daily, it's saying go long. On this hourly chart, it's also saying potentially go long as well if you wanted to trade this as an idea. Combined with that, I've got these fractals we can show you there. So when this indicator, or when both the moving averages of the price chart and the CCI are aligned, and this indicator says they're both aligned, take long positions. So again, using that as an indicator, and the fractal of the bars or the candle breaks above the fractal, that's where you potentially go long. And you can see there it's currently still in a long position. So I'd probably wait for it to come back into the fractal as long as both moving averages are aligned, and then take further long positions once the candle breaks initially above the fractal. So you can see there's about 4 candles already above the fractal. So you may have missed the trade there on that one, possibly. It might be a bit risky going into the trade at the moment. So wait for it to possibly come back into the fractals. As long as they're aligned, take long positions only. So to understand how to properly trade using this approach or any other trading idea, reference the links in the description below. Subscribe and support us more on Patreon. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.